Getting a good night's sleep is crucial to maintaining good health, both physically and mentally. Nightmares can interrupt your sleep, leaving you feeling exhausted and anxious. Fortunately, there are many ways to prevent nightmares and improve your sleep quality. In today's video, I'll show you 10 ways to prevent nightmares and sleep better. Make sure you watch this video to find out interesting facts about how to avoid nightmares. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Let's get started. Tip number 1, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is one of the most important things you can do to promote healthy sleep habits. Your body's internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm, operates on a 24-hour cycle. When you maintain a consistent sleep schedule, you help to keep your circle. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Tip number 2, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine is an excellent way to signal to your body and mind that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. A calming routine helps to reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with the quality of your sleep. Take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music before bedtime. This will help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Tip number 3, avoid caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine before bedtime. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine before bedtime is important for improving the quality of your sleep. These substances can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that can make it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. To avoid the effects of caffeine, it's best to avoid consuming it at least 6 hours before bedtime. Although alcohol can help you feel drowsy and fall asleep faster, it actually interferes with the quality of your sleep. It can cause you to wake up frequently during the night and make you feel more tired and groggy in the morning. It's best to avoid drinking alcohol at least 4 hours before bedtime. Tip number 4, exercise regularly. Regular exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve the quality of your sleep. It can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and feel more refreshed when you wake up in the morning. Here's how exercise can benefit your sleep. Regular exercise can help to lower your levels of the stress hormone cortisol, making it easier to relax and fall asleep. Exercise can also increase the production of sleep-promoting hormones, such as melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle and helps you fall asleep faster. Tip number 5, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Your bedroom should be a comfortable and calming environment. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to create a peaceful sleeping space. Tip number 6, avoid large meals before bedtime. Eating a heavy meal too close to bedtime can cause discomfort and interfere with your sleep. Your body requires energy to digest food, and this process can interfere with your sleep. Eating a large meal too close to bedtime can cause discomfort, bloating, and indigestion, making it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. Eating a large meal before bedtime can also increase your risk of acid reflux, which occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Tip number 7, practice relaxation techniques. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can contribute to nightmares. Tip number 8, limit screen time before bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt your sleep by suppressing the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. Turn off your devices at least an hour before bedtime. Tip number 9, manage stress. Chronic stress can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, therapy, or journaling. Tip number 10, seek medical attention if necessary. If you're experiencing frequent nightmares or sleep disturbances, talk to your doctor. They may recommend a sleep study or prescribe medication to help you sleep better. By following these tips, you can improve your sleep quality and reduce the likelihood of experiencing nightmares. Sweet dreams! If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the tips listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section.